This is my 18-volt Ryobi 5.5-inch cordless circular saw. I got it in a kit with the drill for 50 bucks, I think, on sale. And we're going to give it a try out through some of these thick boards. They are MDF, but they're very dense, so I just figured I'd film and you guys can see how it works. I think my battery may be a little dead. That's why I keep stalling. See if it stalls this time. Let's get pinched. So it's only 18 volt on 24 volt. I think Bosch has one of those, but it does the job. I would have had to lug cords out here to cut these. So this is a little bit thinner piece. It's probably stalling because it has a over voltage protection. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.